Hi cuties, I'm Call Me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Lately there is a cutie, she asked me how to draw the proportion of human being. So today I want to share with you how to draw the proportion of human being with the two figure. I bought this before and I like this so much because it's helped me to understand the people body and the muscle, because it's the two part. The one part is we can know how to draw the muscle, right? And another part is the skin cover our muscle so we can see what it look like. So if you want to know how to draw the human body and you want to know the muscle, of course you can consider to buy like this. And today I want to share with you how to draw the proportion of human beings. So if you want to know it, you have to finish this video. And if it is the first time you watch my video, of course I have to tell you, my channel is talking about the anime drawing and drawing tutorials. So if you are the person like to draw anime drawing or you like to learn how to draw, you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell. So that if my new video release, you will get a reminder. Okay, so let's draw the proportion of human being.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, I made auxiliary line of figure proportion. So if you want to practice with it, just go to my blog and download it. Generally speaking, we can divide a person's height into units of 8 heads. So we can use the height of a head to distinguish parts of the body. And usually a height of a man is higher than a woman. So you can see I draw the woman height like this. And you can see I divide into 8 on the paper. The first, we can take a look at the man. First of all, half of our body height is crotch, and the half of the lower body is the bottom of our knees, and the upper body in here it would be the man nipples, and in here it would be the navel. Okay, now we already know the height position of each part. Maybe we can try to draw it, but we don't know the width. So let's take a look how to grab the width. And after we draw the face of the man, now we can draw the neck. Actually, the neck is 1/3 of the length of the chin to the chest. It's just like this. After we draw the neck, now we can draw the shoulders. And usually the width of shoulders are the width of 2 heads. But because of the triceps, the shoulder is not the widest part. If the widest part is included, the entire width is 2 1/3 head width. Okay, after I draw the man's face, and you can see the width of the head, we draw lines down. In here is nipple, and the navel is here. The widest part of a man is here. Hip width is about the same as chest width, so we can grab the width of hip. So the hips should be smaller. So we know the widest of a man's hips is here. Okay, we can draw the body and waist. I want to draw a strong body. Okay, here is crotch. So we can start drawing the lower body. Compared to woman, a man's butt is narrow. So in here you will notice that a man have wider shoulders and narrower butt. And in here is the bottom of knit. After grabbing the position of the leg, we can draw the leg. Okay, so in here the bottom of the calves will be as wide as a head width. After we finish the lower body, now we can draw the arm. Here is triceps. If we continue to draw the arm, the position at the same height as the navel is the elbow. And if we continue to draw lower limb of arm, wrist is lower than the crotch. And we can continue to draw the hands. Okay, so after we finish this proportion of man body, we will know the positions of each part. Okay, now we can take a look the proportion of woman body. Actually, the proportion of woman body is roughly the same with man body. But the different part is woman nipples, navel, and crotch are little lower the scale line. So it's like the scale lines are little upper those parts. So I just draw it and you will know what it's happened. In here I draw the woman head first. Here is the same as the man. The neck is 1/3 of the length of the chin to the chest. And the width of woman body is 2 head width. And because entire width is 2 head width, if you want to draw the shoulders, you have to draw little inside. If you draw the shoulders width are the same width, 2 heads width, the woman will be looks like the man. And usually here is nipple. But if woman, the nipples are little lower the line. And in here, if a man, navel is on this line. But if a woman, here is waist. And the navel will be a little below this line. And in here is the same as the man. The hip width is the same as the chest width. But women's hips are usually wider. So it is okay to draw a little wider if you want. And usually in here is crotch. But the woman crotch is little below the line. So in here you can see the nipples, navel, or crotch are little below the lines. That is the parts are different from the man. And the waist width is a head width. And the woman calf's width is also a head width. And after we finish the lower woman body, now we can draw the woman arm. In here, the woman triceps, we just draw until this line. And if we continue draw the arm, little up the waist, here is the woman elbow. And if we continue to draw, the woman wrist is little below crotch. So you may think the woman arm is longer. Okay, so today that is the proportion of human body. After you know those proportions, you can apply them to your characters. And you can change them according to your needs. So it is not necessary to draw the proportion of your characters correctly. And just like what I said before in my another video of head proportions, those proportions are a average value. So if you change the proportions, it's okay. There is not right or wrong you draw the proportion like this or draw like that. It is just the knowledge can help you to draw a body, a human proportion is beautiful. So just take easy and use them and create your own characters.
Congratulations! Okay, now you already know how to draw the proportion of human being, right? If you feel this video is really useful for you and you have the friends they like to draw or they like to draw characters but they don't know how to get the proportion of human beings, I think you can share this video with them so that they can know how to draw the good proportion of human beings, okay? And give me a thumbs up. And in the future, I will continue to make the video about anime drawing or some of the drawing game or share about the conception of drawing or drawing tutorials. So no matter what, you have to subscribe my channel so that if my new video release, you will get a reminder. And if you still have the question or the problem, like how to draw like blah 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 like that, or question the problem with anime drawing, of course, tell me what the thing you want to see I draw, or what the thing you want to know how to draw. Please comment below. Maybe in the future I will make a video to reply to your good question or your comment. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life, and I hope you can bring your color to others' life.